Have you ever wondered why a walk in the park feels so refreshing? Or why a run through the woods feels invigorating? It's the magic of outdoor fitness, a natural mood booster, a vitamin D supplier, and a path to reconnecting with nature. There's a reason for the good vibes. Outdoor fitness is not just a fad, it's a life enhancer. Swap the treadmill for a trail, ditch the dumbbells for a rock. The great outdoors is your new gym. Picture yourself sprinting up hilly terrains, scaling rocky cliffs, or performing bodyweight exercises in a lush park. These natural workouts offer varied terrain that challenges your body in unique ways. Plus, using nature's elements in your routine adds an extra layer of unpredictability, keeping your workouts fresh and exciting. With the world as your gym, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I start? Here are some tips. Start small, like a gentle walk in the park. As your body grows accustomed to the activity, gradually increase the intensity. Maybe a brisk walk or perhaps a jog. Now, onto the gear. Ensure you have good shoes. They're your best companion on this journey. Dress according to the weather. Remember, comfort is key. Safety should never be compromised, so always let someone know where you're going. Hydration is vital, so carry a water bottle along. Outdoor fitness is not a race, it's a marathon. It's about creating a routine that fits you. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, what's the takeaway? Picture this, an open-air gym where the sky is the limit and the world is your treadmill. The benefits of outdoor fitness are plentiful, from the fresh air to the diverse landscape serving as your training ground. Remember the tips shared today. Start slow, stay safe, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. The next time you're thinking about hitting the gym, consider heading outside instead. It's not just a workout, it's a lifestyle.